years ago lies a square named for a governor, Governor Maia Magalhães. Could you ever have foreseen 99 years ago you would have this here square? In 1925 you took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. Friends meet up to sit around, couples share a quiet bench where love is gently found. The cafes buzz with chatter, the clink of glasses near. In the square of stories, every voice is clear. In 1925 he took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. Governor's legacy in every stone and tree, a place of joy and gathering for all the world to see. As night embraces Taipa, the square begins to glow, a timeless piece of history where the past and present flow. In 1925 he took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. If only Governor Maia Magalhães knew this, only a governor in 1925, 1926. If he had only guessed that 99 years later there would be a song about him and this square named after him.
"99 years ago, this is the governor who was in Macau, and he governed for 1 year. And we're going to focus on this little plaza right here and kind of show you what it's all about. But you can see lots of different stuff everywhere. So stay tuned for that, and we'll give you a little bit of a we'll focus on this one and this little plaza. Okay, Macau, Taipa village, Maia de Magalhães, which I mispronounced, but that's where it's at on the map. And so it's in Taipa village, and I also created some lyrics. The lyrics is because this particular name is a governor that served 99 years ago. So next year I'll have to change it to 100 years ago. But anyways, so this song is 99 years ago, so this governor ruled the realm, and anyways, the song is right there. And we're gonna get right into the walk and talk, where I'm gonna walk around and narrate and show you this little plaza in the heart of Taipa village. Let's do it. Okay, so that's gonna be our focus. Then we're gonna come around. So that is the square behind us, but then this is kind of the main food street. Guy. And I think this is actually part of it too, part of our square. This little thing is photogenic, Kuni Taipa. And this is this kind of food street area. And then we're going to go back into our space, but you kind of have to understand the whole area. And then this is so yeah, that song that I had, I did another video at nighttime in here, so I thought it was kind of overdue to do a daytime one, so you can see what it looks like at the daytime. So we're gonna go around this whole little square and try to capture the whole feeling of it. Pretty cool. And so I think what I'm going to do is try to capture as much as I can of the vibe. So you have all the benches, and then they'll have different stuff in the middle. So for a while they had a bus, like a little Portuguese electrical vehicle bus, and they'll have different things like that from time to time. Okay. Now we're going to come out to this little space with these beautiful trees. And this is actually Virtudes. This is actually a different street. But because it's actually kind of photogenic, I'm just going to come down and grab some images of it. There's even a wall down that way that they did some artwork. So you can see it like right there. So I did another video not too long ago where when the artist AAFK, him and his wife, they were painting there. So I was glad to be able to capture that. But that street is called Virtudes. So let's kind of go up this way. You can see all these alleys that extend throughout here. But we're gonna go back in. And you can also see they do some artwork on these little murals too, right? And then this one is really popular. This is this little matcha place. Matcha. And there's the artist right there. Hazel Art Studio. Okay, so then we have all these benches that people can sit at. And then we have more over there, so we're gonna head over to that side as well. Plus we got these little alleys. This little alley is like Bruxelles. So I might try to come through this alley in a second. So you can actually get Lunga Coffee. So it's a coffee house. And I think they also have a rooftop as well, which is right up there. Yeah, this place is really popular. Okay, so let's go out a little bit. We're going to try to go around the corner in a second. But this is the square. And I'm going to try to come out to that Bruxelles, just to see if I can do that or not. So if I can, there's some pretty cool artwork around here as well. So there's Bruxelles right there, Bruxelles. So yeah, this actually goes around. So let me just kind of highlight where we are a little bit. We got nice music. I love that music. Yeah, this is really cool. Then we're gonna come back out. And then now we're back out at the square. Okay. So pretty cool little space. Another slice of Macau. And we'll end the video right there.
Square name for a governor, Governor Magalhães. Could you ever have foreseen 99 years ago you would have this here square?